Versus him, it's our team versus Phoenix. So, wag mo just play your game, wag mo intindihan yung mga antics na mga ganun. Ayun lang.
As in, big free throws made. Big free throws made.
Yung last time. Ayun nga, buti pumasok yung dalawang free throws na ulit. Sinabi sa akin kasi ni Sol before ako tumira, sabi niya, you've been doing this every day na pinapractice mo yung shooting mo, pinapractice namin ni Coach Tim yung shooting ko. Ayun, eventually, na-shoot ko ng dalawa. Pero muntik pa kami.
Oo nga yun. Gano'ng kalaking panalo to, especially medyo up and down yung conference nyo. Ito na ba yung parang to turn things around sa inyo?
Ayun nga, as I said kanina na we've been building na this past week yung defense talaga namin, and yun, kailangan namin talaga ma-build yun para going to the playoffs, maging maganda yung takbo ng team namin. Actually nga, sabi ni Coach na parang kung hindi yung outcome this game yung focus namin, actually kung anong binibuild namin na defense para going to the playoffs, malayo marating namin.